Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and two things today, really the Model Y and the Tesla pickup truck. So let's do this. Probably you heard there was a leak I read in a business magazine online. I'll put the title here for you about Tesla workers that leaked that is going to be a rampant acceleration, aggressive acceleration of production of the Model Y in next year, which is going to be introduced. There is a rendering or something that is going to be introduced next year, and it's going to be basically the Model Y is the Model X to the Model S, meaning the platform the Model S to the Model X, and then the Model Y is the Model 3 to the platform to the Model Y, okay, which makes a lot of sense in a way, and so that's the plan. So the plan was, according to the leak, like producing it at the Gigafactory in Nevada, like 7,000 units a week, which is what Tesla Model 3 is doing right now, and also producing like 5,000 a week in the not yet built Gigafactory in China, which is amazing. And then Elon Musk tweeted yesterday, here I'm going to show you the tweet right now. Elon Musk tweeted yesterday in an answer to a question about the pickup truck, and he said that he would love to have a pickup truck soon, and there will be some kind of a rendering or prototype or an announcement of some sort on next year, 2019, and then hopefully production in 2020. Now, we all know from all the history, and we can only rely on history, that dates and deadlines when it comes to Tesla, it's not exactly the word of God. But again, eventually things get done. And I have to tell you something, and I've said it, if those of you watch my videos, I've said it many times, that will be a Tesla, a small crossover, a crossover, and a Tesla pickup truck. Holy moly, okay? If those go in mass production, I think it's game over for a lot of companies, almost literally. Because from what I'm seeing, and I'll just give you one example. I saw the other day that Daimler, which does Mercedes, is announced that they're going to spend, I don't know, maybe $20 billion or however many billions of dollars in buying batteries. And then I'm all excited. Whoa, they're buying batteries, great, for 2030. Are you guys kidding me? Okay, so what I'm saying is basically, I always mention this, Tesla is literally 10 years ahead of everybody else. 10 years ahead of everybody else. If everybody starts right now, they are 10 years behind. So whatever research Volkswagen and GM and Ford, whoever is going to do whatever they want to do, is 10 years behind. And so you know that crossovers are 40% of car sales in America. Pickup truck is about, I think, 30, and then sedans and everything else. And you know that many companies are going to stop making sedans. Nobody's buying them. So what I'm saying is that if they get into this, even according to their schedule, which always get delayed, so let's say 2020, middle of 2020, that would be my mark. Look what they did with the Model 3, and that's the expensive model. The let's say $45,000 to $62,000 model, and look how many they are selling. They cannot make them fast enough. Wait until middle of next year when they're going to deliver the Model 3's base model, and they will not have any more tax incentives, federal tax incentive, unless the laws change. But still, they will sell an exorbitant amount. So I don't know what everybody else is thinking, but if that come to pass, Model Y and then pickup truck, oh my God, what's going to happen? I just wish them luck going through another production hell. so to speak. Okay, tell me what you think. I would totally buy a Model Y. I would trade my Chevy Volt. I totally buy a Model Y. Model X, no. Too complicated, too much, too fancy. Model S, definitely not. It's too big. Model Y, oh my God, 350 miles, let's say, or 400 miles. Man almighty, I would absolutely get that. And so will so many people. I am telling you. Tell me what you think, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, support my awesome channel, and help me change the world one electric car at a time. See you tomorrow, guys.